Welcome. This channel is about helping you make money online. The promise of making more money than you can imagine is totally true. You can make a comfortable extra income and even fire your boss. All you need to do is to learn how, so let us help. Internet Marketer Training by George Pierce proudly presents.
Hi everyone! In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important elements of any website, the About Us, or Me page. Believe it or not, this is an essential part of your site. I'll guide you through the basics your page should include, plus some lesser-known tips to help you stand out. These aren't your average suggestions, stay tuned, you won't want to miss them. About Us page ingredients. First things first, tell your story. Share the journey behind your business or brand. Highlight how your company operates and, most importantly, who you serve. Explain your business model, focusing on what makes your brand unique and why you're better at what you do. Don't forget to add credibility. Include press mentions, testimonials, awards, or any third-party recognition. Back up your claims with visuals like charts or graphs. And of course, introduce yourself or key members of your team to add a personal touch. Pro tips for your About Us page. Let's take things further with these lesser-known tips. Save. Don't publish if your site is still under construction. Save your progress instead of publishing. This keeps your About Us page polished and ready for launch. Clarify your mission. Define your goals clearly. Share your intentions, whether it's helping others succeed, offering great recipes, or building an amazing online community. Let visitors know why you're doing what you do. Weave a story. Stories captivate readers. Use your narrative to tie together the essentials and show how your brand, service, or product will help them. Add a video. Videos make your page more engaging and personal. A quick welcome or explainer video can work wonders. Calls to action, CTAs. Use CTAs to direct visitors to your YouTube channel, social media, or an email list. Encourage them to subscribe with compelling reasons. Growing your list is key to online success. Templates make it easy. Don't stress about starting from scratch. With Groove, you can find an About Us template under Add a Page. WordPress also offers plugins for About Us templates. And if you're tech savvy, there are tons of free HTML templates online. Just be cautious when downloading them. Have fun! Your website is your chance to connect with visitors. Enjoy the process and let that enthusiasm shine through your content. Thank you for watching, and I wish you much success with your website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.